Buffalo Chicken Meatballs, who doesn't love them? I know I do, and I know you do, and I know they're a breeze to get a ton cooked up all at once with all that Blackstone griddle surface, which is why they are the perfect party food, and I'm gonna show you how we're turning them into cute little pumpkins for Halloween. So to start these off, I have fresh ground chicken, I have panko breadcrumb, finely diced celery and carrots. I like to use the center baby leafy parts of the celery. I think they have way more flavor and cook up so much faster. I have fresh green onion, 1 egg per pound of chicken, and then I like to crumble in some fresh blue cheese. To that, I just drizzle in my favorite buffalo sauce and season this up with the Blackstone Parmesan Ranch seasoning, which is one of my favorites. You guys all know that I love it. Give that a good mix to incorporate all the ingredients and slide it to the side while we get our sauce ready in a small pot that's going to go right onto the Blackstone. We just add in some buffalo sauce, butter, and either ranch or blue cheese dressing. Now we're just going to roll out our meatballs. This scooper is going to get me perfectly even size meatballs, so I get about 16 per pound. Now I'm going to turn my Blackstone onto medium heat, add my little pot of sauce to heat up and get all nice and glossy, add a drizzle of olive oil, and then add my meatballs into that oil. I want these meatballs to cook super nice and slow so that each side has a turn to get nice and golden. I can add a little drizzle of oil over the meatballs when needed, turning them with tongs, and then I want to make sure that they cook through, so I can either use the Blackstone dome for even cooking or just close the lid on my Blackstone. I love serving these little meatballs up for parties. They're super easy, super fast. You can serve them with little forks or little toothpicks, or my kids like when I serve them up with the mini Hawaiian slider buns. I just put them to the side, the meatballs, and you can make your own sandwich and run and go with them. They make no mess, which is why I like them for parties. Okay, once my meatballs are done, I'm gonna plate them up on my little festive dish, and then I'm gonna get that sauce that got all nice and glossy and drizzle that over these meatballs, which gives them that orange tint to look like cute little pumpkins. And no pumpkin is complete without a stem, of course, so we're just gonna rip off some of our leaves from our celery, add them on top of these cute little pumpkins, a little extra green onion on top, and there you have a cute little pumpkin patch, perfect for your next Halloween party. I hope you guys like them. I hope you try them. I hope they become part of your Halloween traditions. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys give these one. Oh my God, CJ! I feel like I need to do this all over. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you in. Oh, I forgot the whole. Hold on.